Hey guys, so I reached out to this company and they decided to let me be a part of their team and they're going to send me free packages from Amazon and I get to keep it. So my first package came in and we're going to see what it is. Maybe. If I can open it. It's a pet shaver. Comes with a Type-C charger cord. Comes with oil so you can oil your blades. You got a little brush to clean it with. And then here's the shaver. Has a light on it so you can see exactly what you're doing. It's quiet, so your dog shouldn't have any issues with the noise. I think we should check it out and see how it works. Okay guys, you have seen how the product works and seen how well my dog did with it. It's very quiet, it don't move a lot. You can get real close up and personal and it don't even scrape them. It didn't hurt her one bit. Uh, Altogether, product 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend, especially dogs with long pawed hair. Like, that gets all clumped up and stuff. It'd be perfect to get all that. Even if you want to just trim it up a little bit, it don't even have to be for the paws. You can use it for anything. It's a great product, and I highly suggest going and looking to getting one. Thanks, you guys, for coming and checking out my video, and hope to see you next time. Bye!